Hi guys, welcome to our channel Tech and Talks.
So today we are going to learn about VLAN. So what is VLAN? VLAN is nothing but virtual local area network. But already we know about local area network. Then why we are going to again virtual local area network? So let's take this scenario. You have one organization, they are having three departments: sales department, account department and management department. And for each department they are having two PCs. Now they told you to design the network. So if you have the knowledge of LAN and if you don't have the knowledge of VLAN, simply you will connect first switch to the sales department and second switch to the account department and third switch to the management department. Like that you will configure the network. But the thing here is you are using three switches, and per switches we need only two computers. If they increase also, maybe it will be three or four, like that. So there is waste of money. That's why we are coming for VLAN, virtual local area network. In this process we'll use one switch only, but as multiple switches. Means in physically it will be only one switch, but logically we are dividing that switch into number of switches. How? I'll show you. See, let's think this one is one switch, one Cisco switch which are having 24 ports. I'll divide these ports and I'll make it into different switches. Like for I want these four ports for sales department, I want these four ports for account department, and again I want these four ports for management department. So I like that I can divide the switch into multiple switches. So after that I can join from this port to sales department and from these ports to account department and this ports to management department. So by using one switch only we can connect these three departments. There is no need of three switches. So there is no need of three switches. That is called virtual local area network. So now we'll see how to configure this virtual local area network into packet tracer. So in this scenario I have taken three departments like account department, sales department and management department. So this account department is configured with 192.168.10.0 network, and this sales department is configured with 192.168.20.0 network, and this management department is configured with 192.168.30.0 network. Okay, see these six PCs are connected to only one switch. So I have to go to that switch and I have to create some VLANs, means different virtual LANs I have to create, and I have to tell that switch that which ports are connected to which VLAN. Okay, so first we have to create three VLANs here. So first I'll create one VLAN for account department and I'll assign the ports to account department. So these two ports are first Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2. Okay, now I have to go to configuration mode for this PC, that is enable and configure terminal. Now I'll create one VLAN, that is VLAN 10, and I'll give the name as account. Now exit from there and we have to now assign the ports. So we know first Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2. So interface range first Ethernet, interface range first Ethernet 0/1 to 2, and switch port mode access, enter, and switch port access which VLAN? VLAN 10. So this is done. Now I have to go for this sales department. So I'll go to this switch and we'll create another VLAN, that is VLAN 20, whose name is sales. We can exit you can take this VLAN ID anything. I'm taking 20, so you can take 200 also, no problem. And we have to, now the ports are 0/3 and 0/4, so I have to assign that interface range first Ethernet 0/3 to 4, and we have to give switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 20. So done. After that we have to create third VLAN for management department, that is VLAN 30, name management, and we have to assign the ports, that is interface range first Ethernet 0/5 to 6, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 30. So we have done, and we will save the configuration. So now we'll see either this PC1 is pinging with PC0 or not. So here the PC0 IP address is 192.168.10.1. We'll try to ping from PC1. Desktop command prompt ping 192.168.10.1. So it is pinging, there is no problem. For here also sales department, I'll try to ping PC2, that is 192.168.20.1 from PC3. Ping 192.168.20.1. So here also it is pinging, so no problem. Now we'll try to ping PC4, that is 30.1 from PC5. Ping 192.168.30.1. So each department computers are communicating between each other, so there is no problem. We can communicate by only one switch. There will be no data will be going to from sales department to account department. If I want to ping from PC2 to PC0, it won't ping. See, this PC0 is 10.1 and PC2 is something. We'll try to ping PC0, that is ping 192.168.10.1. See, there is no reply, although they are connecting between one switch. No replies are coming, so no files or no data will be going to the account department, although we are using one switch only. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video I'll show you how to communicate from sales department to account department. To stay connected, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.